Today's tutorial is a romantic-style nail art for dating or other special occasions. Let's get started. We've got up to 35 color gels in this kit. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. After simple nail prep, we will start with clean and dry nails. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We use this gel as the base color. Now apply the base color evenly. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Now take out the French tip stickers and the tweezer from the kit. Use the tweezer to pick up the stickers and paste on nails. Paste on all 5 fingers. Let's start drawing French tips. Apply on the thumb. Apply on index finger. Apply on middle finger. Same color gel polish as the one on the thumb. Same color gel polish as the one on index finger. Cure under a UV lamp for only 10 seconds to prevent the issue that stickers are hard to remove. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now take out the nail art stickers, pick up with a tweezer, and paste on nails. Be careful not to leave any gap between nails and stickers. Repeat the previous steps and paste on the remaining fingers. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.